See the next concept, that is use of exponents to express small numbers in standard form. So how we can write a smallest number in a standard form. Okay. See in day-to-day life you can come across some statements like this. See for example, the distance from the earth to the sun. Distance from earth to sun is given like this: 149, 0 meter. Okay, this is what the distance from earth to sun. Okay, for example, second example is given. See speed of light. So speed of light is 300 million. Okay, meter per second. Okay, next the size of plant cell. The size of plant cell is 0.00001275 meter. This is the smallest number, isn't it? So like a small number. Okay, these are large number. Okay, this is the smallest, 0 point. Minute number 0.00001275. These numbers are a very small number. Okay, for example, the height of Mount Everest is 8,848 meters. So this we can read, right? So for example, if I give a number 2 centimeter, 4 millimeter, like this. So this is we can read, right? So for example, if they given a smallest number means we think one is the smallest number. So smallest, smaller than 1, that is the -1, -2, all negative numbers. But in between there are many numbers. Okay, so 1 to 10, if you consider, there are many numbers, that is the decimal numbers, isn't it? So after 1 you will consider 1.1, 1.2, 1.3 up to 10. Again in 1.1 and 1.2 there are still numbers, that is 1.1, next 1.01, 1.02, like this we can see many numbers. Okay, so now the smallest number, if you say 1 is not the smallest number, the below 1, that is 0.1 or maybe 0.01, 0.0001. So these are what? A smallest number. So this small number, see, use of exponents, you have to use exponent to express a small numbers in standard form. So you have to use exponent to express a small numbers in standard form. Clear? So what is the standard form? Means a number which is expressed as a decimal between 1.0 and 10.0, including 1.0. In between 1.0 and 10.0, 1.0 means 1, 10.0 means 10. Okay? 1.0 and 10.0 including 1.0 multiplied by a power of 10. Multiplied by a power of 10 is called a number in the standard form. Clear? A number in the standard form. Okay? How to represent a small number in standard form. Clear? How we can represent a small number in a standard form. Small number means, for example, it is given 0.0003, 0.00017. So these are what? Small numbers. Large number, so like this: 150,000,000,000. So this is a large number. Clear? So we know that how to write a large number in standard form. Similarly, you write a small number in standard form. Okay. So now, if you see this example, 150,000,000 and 000. Now with this, we can write a standard form like this. See, 1.5. This can be written as like this: 1.5, then into 10 power, that is a number which is expressed as a decimal, a number which can be this number can be expressed as a decimal between 1.0 and 10, 1.5, that is what in between 1 and 10, isn't it? So So in between 1 and 10, including 1, multiplied by a power of 10, 1.5 into 10. Okay, so this is what standard form. Clear? What is standard form? Standard form means a number which is expressed as a decimal between 1.0 and 10.0, including 1.0. We can include 1.0 also, multiplied by a power of 10. Power of 10 is called a number in the standard form. Okay, so here I wrote one example. So now this given number, this is a large number, isn't it? Can you read this? So how many zeros are there in this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 zeros. Okay, now this how we can write in standard form. So this we can write as in decimal point, like 1.5 into the 10 power. 10 power. See how to write 10 power? See, if you put decimal point here, actually the decimal point in the last. In this question there is no decimal point. In this number there is no decimal point, right? So how we can write in decimal form? So that means in this there is no decimal, means this decimal point is in the last. Okay, you can write here decimal point. Next, if you want, you can add extra zeros and all. Okay, now you can consider 0 here. Now we have to, this decimal point shift to left hand side here. So this decimal point will shift into left hand side. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, if you want to write the decimal point here, so 1.5. So how many steps we move to left hand side? So decimal point in the last term, so you have to move to the left side. Okay, left hand side. So now 1, count again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so we can write 10 power 11. Understood? So this is what standard form of given number. If they given a large number, that we can write in the standard form. If you want one more example, we can give many examples for this. See, I'll write one more number, that is 2, 3, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. If you want, you can write many zeros. Okay? Now, so this is what a given number. You have to write this number in standard form. So how we can write in decimal? First, see how many zeros are there. See, in this there is no decimal point. So now you can imagine the decimal point in the last. Okay. So now write 2 point. Decimal point moves to left hand side. Move to left hand side means left is this side, right? So start counting 1. Decimal point comes to first place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 2.3 into 10 power 13. So if you are writing decimal point is moved to left hand side, then the power will be positive. Clear? If the decimal point is moving to left hand side, understood? In this decimal point is in the last. Actually decimal point is not there, but you can consider the point is here. Okay? Now, so you have to move to left hand side, 1 step here. Okay, if you move left hand side, the power of 10, the exponent is a positive. You get exponent is a positive. 10 power 11. 11 is a positive. Okay, plus 11. Here also, see here I consider one more example. So in this I wrote 2.3 into 10 power 13. That is plus 13. Plus 13 because decimal point is in the last, so it is moving to left hand side. Is it correct? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 13. 13 place. Okay. So this can be written as 10 power 13. So understood? The large number also we can write in a standard form. So okay, in second example, say 0.00007 meter. 0.00007 meter. So this is a small number, isn't it? Because the question is given like this, 0 point. 0 point is a minute number, right? 0.000 means that is the smallest number. Okay. Now, so now this given number, how we can write it? Standard form. Okay. So So now the decimal point is here. In this type of question, what we have to do? The decimal point shifting to right hand side. Clear? So how we can move it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now we can write this as a. Understood now? This is decimal pointer from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this can be written as a 7 into. Okay. 7 into 10 power. 10 power. How many steps we moved? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. 10 power minus 6. So you have to write 10 power minus 6. Why minus 6? Negative. Why minus? Why negative exponent? Because this decimal point is going to right hand side. Clear? So this is going to right hand side. So we write minus 6. Clear? If decimal point is moving to left hand side, the exponent will be positive. Okay? Exponent is a positive, and if the decimal point is moving to right hand side, clear? This is the right side, right? So now you are right. The exponent is negative. If you want, you can take one more example. 0.003. 0.003. So now how you can write this number in standard form? Okay? So this can be written as a 3 into 10 power. 3 into 10 power. So this decimal point is moving to right hand side. So 1, 2, 3. So 10 power minus 3. Minus 3. Because the decimal point, this decimal point is moving to right hand side. Clear? So 3 into 10 power minus 3. Okay? If you want, you can write in another way. See, we can write 0.003 can be written as 3 by, this is another way, okay? 0.003 can be written as 3 by, after decimal point, how many digits are there? 3 digits, right? So this can be written as 1, 2, 3, so 1000, okay? This is a method. Next, this 1000 can be written as 3 by, 1000 means 10 into, you have to write the exponential form, 10 into 10 means 10 power 3. So what is 10 into 10 into 10? 10 tens are 100, 100 tens are 1000, right? Is it correct? 1, 2, yes, 100. So that can be written as 1000 can be written as 10 into 10 into 10. 100 can be written as 10 into 10. So okay. So this 10 power 3. 10 power 3. So what is the answer? 3 by 10 power 3. 3 by 10 power 3 means 3 into 10 power minus 3. This is in the denominator, right? So 10 power plus 3 will go to numerator. So that can be written as 3 into 10 power minus 3. Okay? This is the answer. So we here also, if you do the first method also, we will get the same answer. Like this decimal point will move to right hand side. See, first step, second, third. So what is the answer? 3 into 10 power minus 3. Okay? 1, 2, 3. So this is 10 power minus 3. Because this decimal point moving here right hand side. Okay? This decimal point shifted to right hand side. So that answer will get like this. Okay? Or else you can do one more method. If it is given after decimal point, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3. So write 3 by 1000. 2, 3 zeros will get in the denominator. Okay? Now 3 by 1000 can be written as 10 power 3. 100 can be written as 10 power 2, but 1000 can be written as 10 power 3. If I given one more 10,000, how will write 10 power 4? Okay, 1 lakh, that is 10 power 5. Understood? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 zeros means 10 power 5. 4 zeros 10 power 4. If it is 3 zeros, must write 10 power 3. Then this denominator 10 power 3, you can write in the numerator. So if you write in the numerator, what happened? 3 into 10 power minus 3. plus 3 will change into minus 3, isn't it? Yes. So in exponential, the denominator terms will go to numerator, then the exponential sign will change. 10 power plus 3 will change into 10 power minus 3. So 3 into 10 power minus 3. Clear? So this is a standard form. Okay? How we can write a small number in standard form. For example, see in the textbook it is given. So in page number 14. So please refer textbook and read the examples. See. Use of exponents to express small number in standard form. Okay. The first is given. The statement is the distance from earth to sun. Okay. Next, speed of light. It is given. Okay. Read all these things. Next, they given some examples how to write a large number in standard form and small number in a standard form. Okay. The next question. Next example. Some say from the textbook I will some say express the following numbers in standard form. Okay. So say first question is 0.000035 and second question 40500. So this given two questions how we can write in standard form. The first one 0.000035. Say here decimal point is in the first, isn't it? So now you have to write standard form. That means this decimal point will move to right hand side. Clear? So first step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? 5 steps. Clear? So we can write this as a 3.5. 3.5. So the decimal point is moving to right hand side. Is it correct? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps. So we can write 10 power minus 5. Why minus 5? Because this decimal point here is moving to this place is to move to right hand side. Is it correct? Decimal point is here. Count the steps 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3.5. Okay? If you write decimal point here, you get 10 power minus 4. So write in between 1 and 10. The standard form means you write a number in between 1 and 10. Decimal number in between 1 and 10. So that means you write decimal point here 3.5. Clear? 3.5 means one step, second, third, fourth, fifth. It is fifth. Correct? So that is 10 power minus 5. It is moving to right hand side. So you have to write a negative exponent minus 5. Clear? If decimal point is moving to left hand side, then you write the exponent is a positive. Okay? The second question. See 4050000. Okay? So this how we can write in standard form. So now in this number there is no decimal point, right? So you can consider the point is here. Okay, in the last. So now you have to write in standard form, right? So now start counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 place, correct? So now 4.05 into 10 power. 10 power is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 10 power 6 plus 6. Why plus 6? This decimal point is going to left hand side. So the power is 10 power plus 6. Exponent is plus positive. Here it is negative. Understood? So next we have to solve the exercise sums here. So this is what example. So example is given, same type we get the exercise sum also. Okay? We will solve now second example. Say in this second example, express the following number in usual form. Okay? This first it is given decimal point. The second example is given, you have to write in the usual form. Okay? That will express the following numbers in usual form. Like this you have to write. The question is 3.52 into 10 power 5. Question is given in the exponential form 10 power 10 raised to 5. Okay? 3.52 into 10 power plus 5 plus 5. So that means we can write 3.52 into 10 power 5 means, say here it is given in exponential form, right? So So, but in this question, we have to write standard form. Here it is given in the standard form. You have to write the usual form. Clear? Here it is usual form is given. In the first example, we wrote in standard form. Correct? In the second example, the question is given in usual form. Usual form. Question is given in standard form, right? Yes. Express the following numbers in usual form. So that means this question is given in standard form. You have to write in a usual form. 3.52 into 10 power 5. So now how we can write this decimal point? Now we move to the right hand side. How many steps we move to right hand side? Why we are writing decimal point to right hand side? Because the exponent is the question is given in standard form. Clear? So now 3, 5, 2, 1, 2 steps. Here 5 power 10 power 5 means after decimal point should get the 5 digits, right? So now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remaining you can write zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 power 5. 3.52 into 10 power 5 means 352. 0, 0, 0, because 1, 2, 1 decimal point is here. 1 step, second step, third, fourth, fifth. The decimal point comes here. Okay, understood? The decimal point in the first place. So next step it goes to last. Okay, is it correct? 3,52,000. Okay, I'll write it again. 352,000. Okay, the decimal point we get here. This is what usual form. So this usual form we can write in standard form like this: 3.52 into 10 power 5. How this decimal point is going to left hand side? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 10 power plus 5. Okay. Now, if you want, you can do that. We'll see. The second question is 7.54 into 10 power minus 4. 7.54 into 10 power minus 4. So this we can write in another method also. We'll check 3.52 into 10 power 5. We can do another method, that is 352 by 100. After decimal point 2 digits. So this we you are learning in 7th standard, isn't it? 352 by 100. How will we write 0.2? That will write 2 by 10. Right? 0.02. That is 2 by 100. Clear? 0.25 means 25 by 1000. Why? Because after decimal point 3 digits. Here after decimal point 1 digit. So we will write 2 by 10. 25 by 1000 like this. Okay. Now, this is one more method. Can do any method. Okay, we'll get same answer. 3.52 into 10 power 5 can be written as a 352 by 100 into 10 power 5. So now 352. How we can write 100? 100 is 10 power 2 into 10 power 5. This is a direct method. So this you can do, you have to do by step by step. Okay, 352 into 10 power 5. Here 10 power 2 plus 2 will go to numerator. So we get 10 power minus 2. So what is answer? 352 into 10 power 5 minus 2. What is 5 minus 2? 5 minus 2 is 3. Is it correct? 352 into 10 power 3. So 10 power 3 means how many zeros you will write? 3, 5, 2 into 1, 2, 3. 10 power 3 means that is 1000. Is it correct? 10 power 3 means 1000. 10 into 10 into 10. 10 power 2, 10 into 10. Okay? 10 power 3 understood? 10 power 3 means 10 into 10 into 10. That is 1000. Okay? 10 power 3. So 352 into 1000. That is we get 352,000. Okay, that means 3,52,000. Okay, so this is the another method. You can use any method to find the answer. We get same. Okay, we see the second question. second example is a 7.54 into 10 power minus 4. 7.5 into 10 power minus 4. So now the given question is in standard form. You will write in terms of usual form. Write in the usual form. Clear? So that is what this question is given in usual form. First we wrote in standard form. In the second example, the given question is in standard form. Write in usual form. Okay? The example, second one, 7.5 into 10 power minus 4. So now 7.5 means this can be written as a 75 by 10. Why 10? Because after decimal point 1 digit. Is it correct? So 7.5, 75 by 10 into 10 power minus 4. 10 power minus 4. Now, what is the power of 10? The 10 power is 1. 75 by 10 power 1 into 10 power minus 4. So now the 10 power 1 will go to numerator. So 75 into 10 power minus 4 into 10 power minus 1. Same base. So we can write 75 into 10 power minus 4 minus 1. Minus 4 minus 1. Because same base, so we can add the power. So write 75 into 10 power minus 5. 10 power minus 5. So now the exponent is negative exponent. So we have to write this as a 0.005 digits. Here minus 5 means 5 digits will get after decimal point. 1, 2, 3. Already 2 digits are there here. 75. So 1, 2, 3, 7, 5. Here. So this is the answer. This is the usual form of a given question. 7.54 10 power minus 4. You can use any method. Okay. Here I use one more method, that is 75 by 10. 75 means 7.5 can be written as 75 by 10 into 10 power minus 4. So 10 power 1 we can write in the numerator. So we get power 10 power minus 1. 10 power minus 4 into 10 power minus 1. The answer is 10 power minus 5. So 75 into 10 power minus 5 means 0.0075. Now one more question, that is the third one. Third one is 3 into 10 power minus 5. So this we can write directly, isn't it? That answer is 0.00003. Is it correct? 3 into 10 power minus 5. The answer 0.0003. Because after decimal point, if you move to left right hand side, what happens? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So decimal point will get here. That means we get 3. Decimal point is after 3, so 3.0. So that means the value is 3. Clear? That is given in the question. 3 into 10 power minus 5 can be written as 0.00003. Clear? So this is the usual form of given number.